Welcome to this lesson on vesting schedules. In the world of cryptocurrency and tokenomics, vesting schedules play a critical role in ensuring project stability and long-term success. Today, we'll explore what vesting schedules are, why they matter, and how they work to protect both projects and investors. Token vesting is a mechanism that locks tokens and releases them gradually over a predetermined schedule. Instead of giving someone all their tokens at once, vesting ensures they receive them bit by bit over time. The main purpose of vesting is to prevent immediate sell-offs that could crash the token price. It also aligns the interests of all stakeholders, ensuring everyone remains committed to the project's long-term success rather than looking for quick profits. Let's look at our first type, cliff vesting. In cliff vesting, no tokens are released until a specific period ends, and then a large portion unlocks all at once. For example, imagine a team member with a 1-year cliff. They receive absolutely nothing for the first 12 months. Then, at month 12, 25% of their total allocation unlocks immediately. After that cliff period ends, the remaining tokens typically follow a linear release schedule over the next months or years. This approach ensures that team members stay committed for at least the cliff period before receiving any tokens. Linear vesting is the most straightforward approach. Tokens unlock in equal amounts at regular intervals over a set period. Let's use an example to make this clear. Suppose someone is allocated 100,000 tokens over 24 months. With linear vesting, they would receive 4,167 tokens every single month. The release is consistent and predictable throughout the entire vesting period. This method provides a steady, balanced approach that prevents sudden supply shocks to the market. Graded vesting offers more flexibility through different unlock percentages at different time periods. Unlike linear vesting, where amounts are equal, graded vesting creates a custom schedule. For instance, a project might release 10% in year 1, 20% in year 2, 30% in year 3, and 40% in year 4. This approach often rewards longer commitment with accelerating release rates. Projects can customize graded vesting schedules to match their specific tokenomics strategy and goals. Milestone-based vesting ties token releases directly to achievements rather than just time. Tokens unlock when specific project goals are reached. For example, a team might unlock 15% of tokens upon product launch, 25% when reaching 100,000 users, and 35% after hitting $10 million in revenue. This approach creates powerful incentives because token releases depend on actual performance and project success metrics, not just waiting for time to pass. Different stakeholders in crypto projects typically have vesting schedules tailored to their roles. Team members and founders usually face the longest vesting periods, typically 2 to 4 years, because they're building the project. Advisors commonly have 1 to 2 year vesting schedules since they provide strategic guidance. Private investors often have 6 to 18-month lock periods to prevent immediate dumping after token generation events. Finally, foundation allocations follow long-term strategic release schedules aligned with the project's roadmap and ecosystem development needs. Vesting schedules provide crucial benefits for cryptocurrency projects. They prevent price dumps by avoiding situations where large holders sell everything at once. Vesting aligns incentives, ensuring everyone benefits when the project succeeds over time. It protects investors from manipulation and creates market stability by controlling token supply. Most importantly, vesting demonstrates long-term commitment from teams and early investors, which builds trust in the broader community. Well-designed vesting schedules are absolutely essential for sustainable tokenomics and overall project success. Understanding these mechanisms helps investors evaluate projects and make informed decisions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.